Today we talk about pricing for product or service upgrades. For example, you are selling a small and a large cup of coffee. How do you present the price for the large cup? Or you are selling two different kinds of tickets. One ticket for a basic train service that brings you to your destination, and a premium train ticket that brings you to the destination faster. Or you are selling electronics like a monitor. And how do you price or how do you present the price for a larger monitor compared to a smaller one, like 24 versus 27 inches? Any idea? We will find out today. You could present the price for your product upgrade in absolute terms or in relative terms compared to the smaller or the basic version. For example, you have a 24-inch monitor and a 27-inch monitor, and the 24-inch monitor comes at $199. The 27-inch monitor comes at $259. So you can present $199 versus $259, or you can frame the premium model as $60 more. What should you do and what would work better? Research found that if you present the price of the premium version as a price difference compared to the basic version, people are more likely to choose the premium version. In the monitor study, 42% of participants chose the premium version when the price was presented in absolute terms like $159. But these 42% increased to 58% if the price was presented as a price difference, like $60 more. That is 38% more people are likely to choose the larger version because of the price presentation. That's really interesting. Now I have a bonus question for you. Let us assume you stick to the price presentation in absolute terms and you are selling, let's say, coffee. How should you set the price of the smaller product versus the larger product? Very recent research found that if customers have to cross a price threshold, people are less likely to choose the larger version because crossing this price threshold makes the larger version appear much more expensive. That's similar to the left digit effect. So if you sell a coffee, let's say at 59 cents, and the larger version of the coffee is $1.20, so 25 cents more, 29% of participants would choose the larger version. They cross the threshold at $1. But if you increase the price of the smaller coffee to $1 and the larger version is still 25 cents more expensive, like $1.25, 56% of customers would choose the larger version. So you increase the price for the smaller one by 5 cents. The choice share of the larger version almost doubles. That's crazy. So today we covered two very interesting effects in presenting prices and setting prices for upgrades relative to basic versions. I hope this leaves you with some inspiration. And if you seek more inspiration on pricing and psychological pricing, please stick around at pricingnuggets.com. See you there.